Gonna make a quick video this morning. It's nice and cool right now. Really peaceful out here before 9 o'clock. But it's gonna get really hot today, and these trees came down about a week ago, and I spoke to the gentleman who was involved with taking all this down, and he said if I wanted to turn these into lumber without the ends splitting pretty deep into the logs, so save as much of the log as I can, since I'm not going to cut them up or have them sawn into any sort of lumber for the next 6 months or so, to paint the ends with latex paint. And he said to make sure I didn't use white latex paint because the white dye would get sucked into the tree as it dries, and so to use a gray or something like that. So I've got a bucket of gray latex paint from Lowe's that I picked up this morning. To be clear, I have absolutely no idea if this is what I should be doing, but a guy with a chainsaw who looked like he knew what he was talking about said to do this, so who am I to question that? A quick Google search probably would have confirmed or denied this advice, but here I am with some paint. So let's rock and roll. I'm gonna try to edit this later with some cool music that's on theme for painting logs. So I'll see what I can find. Here we go. I want to point out one other thing. So I believe the logs that are kind of reddish, I don't know if the camera picks that up, those are red oak. The logs with the white around the outside with the darker center are poplar, which same guy that told me about the paint said these are great for furniture because it's a softwood, but if you stain it, it looks like a hardwood. And then we've got white oak intermixed here. Most of the white oak is on that side. You can't really see it from, well, I have no idea what you can see from the camera, but you probably can't see it from the camera. And that's what I really want to take and turn into some desks or a big kitchen table or something like that, way down the road. All right, here we go.
This is log painting music. Also, I just discovered GarageBand. Enjoy.
All right, so I just got the first side of the logs. Again, not certain if I'm actually doing anything for these things. It seems to be soaking in the paint. You can see on like those poplar logs. Well, I have no idea what you can see, but I can see on those poplar logs. It's soaking in that paint. You know, and this reminds me how much I really hate painting. I came out here not expecting to have a good time, and this absolutely sucks. Getting down in the dirt, almost got bit by or stung by a hornet, got bit by a fire ant. So, what did we learn today? I still have to do the other side, but if you were to do this, whoever you are, or if I'm gonna do this again, I'm gonna find out if there is a spray version of latex paint. Probably is. I'm gonna spray these things. Be a lot easier. So that's I think that's the number one takeaway so far. And we'll see if this works. Okay, so I'm gonna set this up. We're gonna go get the other side over here. Get some more action shots of me painting. See if I can't fry my phone. Let's check that view. Oh, that's a great view. All right, here we go. All right, we're at 49 minutes and counting. I will try to set this up on YouTube or my computer to where I can do like a fast forward thing, because nobody wants to watch 49 minutes of this. Again, maybe get some cool music. But what have I learned today? Again, spray paint would be far easier. I'll get close so you can hear me. Yeah, spray paint. Maybe just don't do this altogether. Nah, I take that back. It'll be pretty cool. It says on the bucket here, amidst all that this is known, this paint here is known in the state of California to cause fertility issues, which just so happens that Kelly and I are done after 4. So that could be one positive that's come out of today is, you know, this is cheaper than a vasectomy. We'll see if it works. All right, one more end to paint and then I'm done. I think I got more paint on me than on many of these logs, but that's how it goes sometimes. All done. I'm getting hot.